This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, SICKDOE and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about making SICKDOE and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making SICKDOE and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto. Crypto, no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy.
What's going on, Wall Street Pete? SICKDOE in Crypto. Want to learn how to make SICKDOE in Crypto? You hit that like, you hit that subscribe every single day. We're talking about going on a ride. We're talking about crypto positivity. And let me tell you, if you woke up on the wrong side of the bed today, it's only Tuesday. So I'll tell you right now, you got the rest of the week to go. And if you're working that overtime just to buy some more crypto, then you better change that tune. Better get your butt, put on a good beat. Wake up on the right side of the bed because you are with Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in Crypto. And if you want to learn how to make more, well, then here we go. Wall Street Pete, we got so much to talk about. If you're interested in Chainlink, what's up, Anthony? You are the first. Obey your thirst. He's the first one in the house. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. All right, so we're going to talk about Chainlink. We're going to talk about Flow. That is something interesting on what it's doing. Some crypto news, some crypto market cap. Let's pay attention definitely to mention. We'll sum it up really quick. There was a 1.72 crypto market cap. It's now 1.98 again. Somebody's playing games. There is a whale fooling around. I'm just letting you know, or there are whales. 1,000%. It was 1.72 for a while. We're down about 13%. Somebody's playing games with Wall Street, Pete. I know that's real. Money's coming in. Money's coming out. Let's check the tether real quick. It's not changed. So I don't know what's going on with that, but we are now back to 1.98. Could have been a mistake. I'm not sure, but for about a good hour or 2 hours, we were down $200 billion. So imagine that being gone from the crypto market cap would be down 13%, apparently exactly as it was. Without further ado, let's talk about it. Tesla's Bitcoin strategy is working, okay? Why it's big news, why understand, why this is so bullish. Well, the annual report suggests that when they sold 10%, because a year ago they bought 1.5 billion of Bitcoin in the January timeframe, and then February 8th, exactly on that day, which is today, we skyrocketed, right, to the moon on February 8th. I remember. Why? Because this is my significant other's birthday. Happy birthday, beautiful. It is her birthday, and I want to wish her a happy birthday. And you know, it's funny because the day when it was her birthday, we were celebrating, and I had ×2 to celebrate. Why? Because Bitcoin was going to the moon. What's happening is they sold 10%. Everybody thought they were nuts. They were like, oh, no, this is what they're doing. They're taking a loss. Their average is 30,000 Bitcoin. And what's happening is now they're showing that it works. They made a good amount of money here, and what happened was they now are in a profit still. I'm not going to go over this big article, but it's just some crypto news to understand that they did that and still in a profit. KPMG in Canada adds Bitcoin and Ethereum to its treasury is big bullish news as well. Other institutions will come in now, as you can see like this. Other big buyers will be coming into the space because why? Because, well, they're seeing what MicroStrategies has been doing, making money, made $120 million for the year, just fooling around with it and taking a 10% hash rate off the top, smacking that bad boy, hedging in is what I meant to say. But Big Four Auditor KPMG's Canadian operation has officially added. So pay attention to that. Big news. We're going through really quick. It's Tuesday morning. Hit that like and hit that subscribe. NFL to offer virtual NFL tickets at the Super Bowl. Philip, what is going on? Good morning to you. Right now in Los Angeles, the Super Bowl will be coming. You will be getting an NFT, and it will be a virtual ticket, which is pretty sweet. The NFL announced officially on Wednesday that each fan who attends to the Super Bowl in Los Angeles February 13th will receive a unique, customized, non-fungible token. So pretty cool. The NFT feature their unique section, row, and seat. Pretty cool also, right? Adding to the announcement, Super Bowl provided the NFL with a special opportunity to offer NFTs at the event as a tool to engage and celebrate with fans. So understand what's going on, all the sports. They are finding the way to advertise. And what's the best way to advertise? Well, through the sports. Let's be real. They're trying to make this kaboom, and it's early. This is how early we are. So understand when Wall Street Pete comes to you, Crypto.com is now at the Lakers Stadium for 20 freaking years. What's up? Good morning to you, Hugh, as well. You are on the live chat. 1.72 once again was there. Stop playing games. See the NFT cameo in Bud Light. Next, Super Bowl ad. So here comes the ad. It's coming. It's one of the biggest stages, right? Everybody watches the Super Bowl. Perhaps a lot of people in London are now getting into that as well. They're going to show the new zero carb brew uses a Barbra Streisand song and the metaverse reference. So pay attention to what's going on. Crypto is going to be a big deal. They're going to have commercials. There's nothing you can do. But here we are with the title. Excited. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We were at the favorite part of the video. That was where I wanted to talk about was Ethereum Network may now access Flow USD Chainlink price feed, bringing cross-chain DeFi utility to Flow. So pretty exciting. Brand new article this morning. Only an hour old. So this baby is only an hour old. The team at Flow is pleased to announce that Chainlink price feed is currently available to decentralized application apps on the Ethereum blockchain. So very, very excited. You're invited. Wanted to talk about this, why it's such a big deal to me, and we're going to go right into it. This is a big deal right now. We're going to go into the charts. We're going to talk about it, what the Flow token is, right? And here is the website for it if you're interested on flow.org. Big deal here. Open worlds. Flow is a new blockchain built for the next generation of apps, games, and the digital assets that power them. So check out the website. Pretty cool. Click on here. You'll watch the video about it. We're not going to do that. But home to the world's most trusted communities. Check a couple of communities out. This is pretty cool. Crypto Kitties. They're pretty big right now in the NFT world. I do know about that. NBA Top Shop. Big deal. Dr. Seuss, come on, Samson. We know all about this. Ubisoft. These are really big names. The NFL, of course, is now getting involved. Warner Music Group, NBA Top Shop. We know I have NBA Top Shop, and I love it. So this is now Flow getting involved. Here's NBA Top Shop, and I suggest you get a couple cards, have some fun. It only costs like $7 to start. Kicks starting the open metaverse. So this is going to be 2022. There's going to be big things going in here. You're going to have to pay attention to what's happening. UFC is really a big deal here, of course. So while we sit here and go over this, I think Chainlink is a good buy. Not financial advice, of course. Just a gentleman twice as nice, Wall Street Pete, who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. So understand we have some experience in the trading, in the charts. This is the 1 hour. This is TradingView. This is Chainlink. Descending, falling channel. I'm buying Chainlink. And what happens is I'm going to dollar cost average into this, probably all the way down to a possible 16 something, as we see 1690. That can happen. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm already in. I'm already dollar cost averaging into Chainlink. Big news, big projects coming into the 2022 for Chainlink. So understand what I may do is look to see if we could get the cup and handle. If not, no big deal. Doesn't seem to be. But if you look there, big falling, big descending channel that was coming through, right? If you see it coming down, we're going to break out of this. And I do believe that 22.50, about $22, I will be taking some profits. If we go lower, obviously, I will be buying the dip so I can have a sip or a rip or just don't tip. Just be happy, right? Wall Street Pete will be taking some profits. Some people may call this just a scalp. Some people, what is a scalp? Well, a scalp is, you scalp tickets when you're at the Super Bowl, right? Trying to make a profit, trying to make a couple bucks. We're trying to make a quick couple bucks. I'm trying to scalp these tickets. I'm trying to scalp Chainlink. And Chainlink, I'm looking to see if we can get to the 22.55. I'm trying to get to 22. I'm trying not to be greedy. Look below here, 21.44. There could be a flip support resistance here, so I'm trying to also pay attention to that because really the 21 area there, you have to pay attention to that. That's important. So like I said, not financial advice. You may have missed that, and then you're sitting here going, well, he told me 22.50. You got off already, and now you just got screwed. So pay attention to the entire video. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. This is an ascending channel on the hourly. If you see here how it's working, I believe we could fall back into this area, as I said, about 1650, 1670 area. This is just preparing yourself in case it happens, so we can buy the dip, and then obviously what will happen, we'll have a sip. So pay attention to the market, as we already did this W, had a rejection to the top here at about, if you do notice, they're doing about the same thing around the 1950 area. So do realize you can hold long term and wait for that. That's up to you. If you have the hodl hands, good for you, diamond hands, and if you can hold, you get about the $19 area. You'll be able to do that. But what I'm saying is short term. We're trying to short term this. So pay attention to the short term runs. There are levels for Chainlink that you can come through. But we're going to go into flow now. I just want to go into flow. Then I'm going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin and what's going to happen here. So if you pay attention, definitely mention here what's happening. High volatile waves in the upward direction. Now, the trend is your friend, but if you pay attention to some indicators of what could be happening, this is the EMA exponential moving average flow, perpetual, what is it? Tether, excuse me. So it's probably the best one you want to check out on flow. Perpetual, excuse me. And we're hitting the ribbon EMA on the top here. I'm hoping we'll find support at this exact price. If we do not, I expect it to come through, but right now 52 minutes. It's a new candle on the 4 hourly. It looks no, it's not. Okay, we got 52 minutes until the new candle for the 4 hourly. What's going to happen is we're going to either come down and hit support right here at the $6.74 roughly. So if you do see that, there's the ribbon EMA. If you see here, all the way from January 30th, right before the end of the month, we fell, as we know, the whole crypto market did. Then what happened, right? February, I said February is a great month. Well, this is just a crypto market, just an example how great February can be. We have not had many down Februarys. This is a Fibonacci pullback. If you do pay attention, definitely to mention on that. This is Flow, the USD. Pay attention to that. The band got tight. If you see my ribbon, what happened? Big price action. But what's going to happen now is we're going to get some tight price action coming back in again. And you'll see probably tomorrow, the 9th or the 10th of February, right about here, it'll get tight. And we're either going to test back up to the upside again, because I do believe that's what's happening. The volume will be coming in. You'll pay attention to the volume always. This is very important to see the volume come back in. Very decent. Nothing bad there. On the retracement, this is just a pullback. So let's see if I can get rid of the indicator, and I'll show you on Flow, the Chainlink. This is very cool. DApps. I did not know Flow was running through with the DApps. Kind of excited. I want to buy Flow. I don't even know where to get it. I'm going to research that next. I'll find out exactly where you can buy Flow, because right now I'm sure you can get it on KuCoin. I'm sure you can get it on a few places. Look at the Fibonacci sequence here. Coming right in and perfect up and down here. What I'm going to look at, and something like I said, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. 38.2 pullback. So $6.46. It is a Fibonacci sequence level. But if you do notice, I do have the bullish momentum showing a little higher. This is the 4 hourly, so this is kind of accurate. I do like the 4 hourly pretty big. This was my BS line. It means nothing to me but the resistance that we hit on the 29th. I want to do my Fibonacci sequence, which is more important to me, and those are your 3 levels. Pay attention. So 3 levels, big deal to pay attention to, as I'm going to show you right now. I'm breaking it down for you. Let's get the price ranges so everyone can see them. So these are your pullbacks. Basically, when the whales, or when anybody for that matter, takes profits, and you bought down here, right? You started it, you seen the trend, you bought the dip. You didn't know this was the inverted head and shoulders pattern, but perhaps now, this is the inverted, right? We already know that. We talk about this on this channel all the time. Inverted, right? Only 4 hourly, so you can see it differently. But then there's probably a shoulder right here. So if there's really a head coming, I expect the head to be somewhere up here. So the head will be about $8 on that. So pay attention to that. Fibonacci Fibonacci sequence. Now, these are the dips you can buy. Now, Fibonacci sequence, my uncle Italian Fibbo, right here, 38.2 pullback is your typical pullback in this type of area, 647. So if you're looking to accumulate some more flow, and maybe you have some and I don't, what's up, Matthew? Good morning. Have a seat with Wall Street Pete. You could probably get to 647, but I think this is pretty bullish right now. I'm thinking the upward W is coming through and you're getting this. So you're going to be lucky if you can even get it at 697. So if you really pay attention, definitely to mention, this is why I talk about this. This is talking about being prepared. Why are we being prepared? Because it's a situation. I can't tell you it's definitely happening. I'd be a liar if I was the only way I could tell you if something's definitely going to happen is if I could watch the market cap, if I could watch all these volumes all day long and watch the people who put the transactions in and pay attention to that. If you could see how many wallets are opening, who's selling, who's shorting on derivatives and things of that nature, and I can have all that information thrown to me immediately, we could probably get a great understanding of what's going to happen. What's there now is I'm just trying to see if we're content. Yes, we are staying content with that 1.98, 1.97. So we are looking okay. Somebody threw their money back in. We should establish. Now, what's going to happen is I'm showing you the possible indicators to buy, where to definitely take profits. And that's kind of insane because I'm looking at this right now, and there it is. The top is definitely that price up. It's definitely take profits if we hit $8. You'd be a fool not to. Now, if you bought it higher, then I can't help you. You just got a dollar cost average in and mitigate your loss, or perhaps change your buy-in. You know what I mean? You got to change your order fill. If you're high in price and you have an average of $10 and you're trying to lower it, well, then you buy it more when it's lower for more shares, right? So take profits is definitely at the $8 menu. Now, you don't have to sell out completely, but I would definitely take a good profit share out. Upward W, we could possibly get this. Pay attention. Could be worse, but I don't really see this possibly playing out that way as a W. So I mean, as an M downward. So pay attention to that. Looks like we broke. We do have a pretty confirmed, confident inverted head and shoulders on the bottom here with that circle. So that's flow, the chain link of the DAPS area. What I'm going to go over now is Bitcoin. I'm trying to keep this to a nice 20-minute video. God forbid we do that. I doubt it. But what did Wall Street Pete do? Well, he's been killing Bitcoin. I've been killing it. If you paid attention, Wall Street Pete gave you the check mark. I remember this video a couple days ago, 3 or 4 days ago. I said, well, 45.6 just about will be your resistance level. I'm going to check it off, the Wall Street Pete check off. Well, what happened? We were trading probably like 40,000. We're at 37,000. I mean, look where we are. So, I mean, hit that like and hit that subscribe, damn it, if you haven't done it. But pay attention to this arrow as I put it up here. I want you to see that. That's the next price going up after we retrace. 69,000 will be a product. It will be a part of the product price of the Bitcoin. So pay attention to that. This upward W is coming. What's happening? Well, we're getting the retracement exactly as I said. Perhaps we get to the Fibonacci sequence as we just went over with the flow. Fibonacci sequence now. Pay attention, definitely to mention. Hit that like and subscribe because you already know we're going on a ride. What's happening here is there could be a head and shoulders. We're getting the shoulder. Now, if this is the shoulder, 42.9 is going to touch. We already did it. Pay attention to that sign. Right now, here we go. Big sign. Ready? We got 2 minutes left for this video to close. 42, that has to come back. We need to bounce significantly. So if we're doing this humongous W that I'm showing you, 41.7 is the 38.2. I don't think we're going to do that. I think the most likely scenario is here because the volume came back and is kicking up. So pay attention to the upward W, but this check mark only. I'm pretty confident that's where the next move is going. I do have this as a possibility. Of course, there's a chance we can do that, but Bitcoin Big Daddy is looking rather nice, and I see the big picture of this W that I'm showing you here. Pay attention, definitely to mention now. Cup and handle can be forming. If you do notice that, this is the 4 hourly. Now, this is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin can be doing something rather of a cup and handle. If you see that, that's very, very, very possible, okay? It's more about right here on this price. If you don't see it, maybe I'll do it in a different color so you can see. Was it pink, hot pink? Something in that. That's your inverted. We're really just beating a dead horse with that, showing so many of the same signs. So we could just use the one we have, cup and handle, inverted head, whatever you may want to call it. But this is the bullish sign to the upside, and this is the resistance that I told you we were going to hit. Come through, tap, bang. There is a chance now that we get this retracement. Did we get it here? Yes, we did. Can we go lower to where the other half of W is to form this upward W perfect on the 4-hourly of Bitcoin on TradingView? This is free. Check it out. 41.7 can happen. What's going to happen? Well, the rest of the market's going to fall, of course. 115 Cardano, which was just 120, 117, 118. I bought Chainlink at 17.9. I'm going to continue to buy if it continues to happen. You got Hashgraph at a good buy. You got Engine at a wonderful buy under anything around the 190, 189 level. I do believe that we're getting a little pullback here. So this is what I'm thinking is happening. Pay attention to mention. You got 44 minutes. Now, that's what I was getting excited about. This is the 4-hourly. If you want to check it on TradingView, zoom in to boom in when you need to find out. Now, the sky is not falling, okay? There is a correction. People are taking profits. People are kind of smart. And what's happening is I do expect that momentum. So pay attention. We could fall a little lower. And if we did, well, it's the 50% pullback, 40.7. So I'm not 40,007. So that is another chance to come down and buy the dip one more time. So here's your 3 levels. Be grateful. Do not trade on emotion. You will make mistakes. Okay, Wall Street Pete, I'm out of here like Vladimir. Have a wonderful day. We're going to have a good day. La-di-da-da. Ain't no one got a die today. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto, a gentleman who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange on Wall Street off Vesey Street. Literally, right across from the Hudson River, the Colgate, they used to call it in Jersey City, Bayonne, across there. Take the New York Water Ferry over. It was like $750 a month to take that bad boy. Whew. I used to take it from the Belford Ferry of New Jersey all the way right to my building in the front. It was the most beautiful commute I ever had in my life. Miss it. I miss it. But we're back. Hey, we got our own YouTube channel, so please share with a friend. Hit that like, hit the subscribe. I do not get enough comments after the video, so if I can get more comments after the video, tell me what you like. Tell me what you want to talk about tonight. I'll come on. But until I get a bunch of comments, after the video, I'm not going to have 8 o'clock shows. We're going to do 8 a.m. only. Or unless I have to tell you some big news, because this is my job to tell you big news and my passion, I will never leave you hanging out of spite. That's not what we do. It's Wall Street, Pete, SICKDOE, and crypto. We talk about positivity. You need to be positive. You think positive, you're going to get positive. I mean, not in the crypto space. You trade with emotion, you're going to get your ass beat, and you're going to be lost in the ocean. So don't do that. But pay attention. Stay away from the comment section. They are evil. Do not click on any links. But we're going to have a great day. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. And if you didn't know, hit that like and hit that subscribe, baby. We're going to feed the poor one day. We're going to help others that are needed. So hopefully we can take care of other people. Right now we need to take care of ourselves, right? So let's pack our bags, get them set. Dollar cost average in. Do not waste your money by going all in and put your eggs in one basket. You're going to screw that up. Take care.